Hello. Today we'll be learning about conflict in literary texts utilizing Shirley Jackson's The Lottery. To begin this assignment, we're going to go over here to the Technology Integrated Tasks on my teacher website, which you all have access to. We're going to click over here, click on the Screencast Assignment. We are going to be utilizing this Google Doc, so if you want to launch it, it will be this link in the upper corner. Please do not edit this master copy. We are going to make a copy that we can edit together. Go up to the file, make a copy, and then I am going to name this Mrs. Howe's copy. Make a copy, and then we can delete this master copy up here. Please watch this video on pbs.com about conflict. It should take you here to Literary Elements and Techniques Conflict. In Shirley Jackson's The Lottery, we are going to be talking about a third form of conflict, the thematic conflict, which has to do with theme, so just keep that in mind throughout this video. Think about the theme of the lottery and which one of these external conflicts our characters are dealing with. Is it character versus character, character versus nature, character versus society, or a combination of two? Once that video is over, we're going to go back to our copy of our worksheets. We are going to utilize our copies of Shirley Jackson's The Lottery. Try to use your annotated copy. If you don't have your copy with you, you can always go back to my teacher website, Inquiry-Based Learning, and then down to Information Resources. If you click this button here, it will take you to a copy. Again, please do not edit the master copy, make a copy the same way that we did for the conflict worksheet. So if we go back over here to our conflict worksheet, here is some vocabulary for you to remember: central conflict, internal conflict, and thematic conflict. We are going to fill out these 3 questions here with sources and quotes that you find within the text. So what is or are the central conflicts, what is or are the internal conflicts, and what is or are the thematic conflicts. As you're thinking about this, remember the overall plot of the lottery and how the conflict drives that plot. Thanks, guys. Good luck.